Ever tried printing a photo, only to get a fuzzy mess that looks nothing like the original? Today, I'll show you how AI tools can magically boost image quality so your prints look sharp, professional, and ready to frame. Let's dive in! Printing is tricky because it needs high resolution. AVCLabs Photo Enhancer AI can fix this by analyzing your image, filling in missing details, and adding pixels where they're needed. So whether you're printing family photos, artwork, or marketing materials, AI can turn low res into high res. Let's enhance it now. First, import the photo. Let's see what happens if we just enlarge it without any AI help. It's all fuzzy, which definitely won't work for printing. Now, let's set up the parameters. First, find and select the AI Upscaler function. This is the core feature that'll boost our image quality. Then, choose the Ultra model. It's great for preserving details, which is key for prints. Next, turn on the face refinement if there is people in your photo. You can adjust the intensity for more detail. Now, for the most important part for printing. We need a high resolution, so I'm picking 400% as an output size. That'll give us enough pixels to make sure the print is crisp. Let's check the preview. Wow, what a difference! The original enlarged version is blurry, but with AI, you can see the sharpness in the eyes. This is exactly what we need for printing. Since it looks good, hitting save. In a few seconds, we'll have our high-quality image ready to print. There we go, our upscaled image is ready. Now, head to your printer or print shop, and you'll get a print that looks just as sharp as the preview. No more fuzzy disasters. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more AI hacks. Thanks for watching.